Good morning. It's a beautiful day today. We've been holed up in the house for a while, quarantined, doing our duty, behaving. But I think today we need to get out for a little bit. I mean, it's a beautiful day. You can hear the birds singing, doves are out, squirrels are out again. We're going to go for a little drive, a little shopping trip. I hope you'll join us. We're on the road again. We couldn't wait to get on the road again. Isn't that right?
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful day today.
Going stir crazy in the house. Now we had to get out of the house, enjoy the open road. Somebody else will turn in here. And enjoy some of the sunshine. We're over here by the outlet malls and the Disney store, but all that stuff's closed today. Some people coming out of there. Looks like the restaurants are doing their takeout. We're going over to the other side of the freeway here though. Here's our destination coming up. Campers Inn RV. Yeah, we're gonna go look at travel trailers today. Anything specific?
We're gonna see what they have to offer and what goes with our trip.
Yeah,
we have a few in mind that we would at least like to look at.
Yeah. It's important that we find something that matches our truck. Look at this thing up here. It's pretty bizarre. It's like a geodome. You know what that is? That's a radar under there. We made it to Campers Inn.
We did?
We're looking at some of these trailers. I like these back here behind us, the wolf pups.
Yep.
Those are, I like the layouts of those and the way they look and everything. And
but they're only a single axle.
they are only a single axle, but we got to get something that's within the weight of the truck.
Yep.
So, which is not a very big truck.
No.
So we're looking at a small trailer. Okay. Oh, look, and Imagine. Here, how about that big thing right there?
Not so much.
There's a Momentum, but that's a tiny one. It's only got 2 wheels. There you go, dear. How about hooking one of those to our truck, huh?
Oh yeah.
We could be road warriors.
That's a little bit.
Yeah, let's get the 3 wheels.
Like the other one.
Ta-da! That's what we like. Or hopefully we're liking.
But not the size. It's too big.
Too big?
Yes. We need to look at smaller things.
Yep, lots of Imagines here. Along with the Freedom Express by Coachman. What you seeing? Anything?
I don't know yet. Depends on the size.
We gotta meet with our salesman yet. Okay, so I guess we're gonna go in and see our salesman, Bernie.
Yes.
Here we go. Taking the plunge. Maybe.
Getting lots of good information today.
Yeah. This is just a research project. We got a nice stores section here. A receptionist. We're waiting for somebody to come. So we met with Bernie.
Yes.
How'd they go?
It went really well. He's listened carefully. He's written down a lot, asked us a lot of questions, and so he gets a good feel of what we're looking at and anticipating, and we'll go look at some rigs.
Outstanding. We're social distancing at a table here, rather than his office. This is their showroom area. As they say, there's no perfect rig.
No.
Except maybe that one. That one there, that's the Avenger rig. You know, for the Avengers. This is the Avenger trailer. No, not too impressed. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna get dinged from the music here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Okay, well this one's laid out a little different.
It is. This one's a little different.
It's got a Murphy bed too, but it's on the side here.
Yeah. Oh, that's weird. That's really different.
I don't know that I'd like that.
No.
But it's good. Look, it's got the James Bond TV.
It does.
That hides.
Yep.
On the counter.
It's not like a regular fridge.
Oh, you didn't like the push button and stuff.
And then the other one, you just pull on it, and it works better.
Yep.
This is nice.
This does have a lot of nice storage in here. Watch your head.
Yep. This one's got a bigger bathroom.
That same slide,
Shower thing.
shower thing. And it's got a dinette. But we don't really like the dinette. It's a Rockwood Mini Light. Okay, XLS 17 MKE. What's the numbers on this here? How's it?
It's really nice.
Yep, with big pots and pans drawer.
We were noticing the big pots and pan drawer underneath the oven.
That's not too shabby.
No, that's really good.
She's in love.
I'm happy.
Was this one of the ones on your list?
It was the one.
It was the
It
top
was
one.
The top one, yep. Okay, so when she went into the Grand Design 17 MKE, she looked to her left, and there's this big, long counter that she just loved.
Yeah, for the size of the trailer. I mean, you know, you don't want anything very big, so to have that much space is a big deal.
Right. It's very, very well put together, very well designed, I will say.
A lot of more storage in there as well.
And that's on account of it having the Murphy bed.
Yeah.
So, which I think is fine. We can deal with the Murphy bed. It's got gives us the extra seating capacity if we have Chris and the boys inside the trailer on a rainy day or something.
Or if it's just the two of us, we can keep the bed down. There's no reason, and there's still plenty of seating for us and move around, and it's good for the dogs too.
And good for the dogs. That's important. It's got to be good for the dogs.
Yes, it is.
What are we going to name it?
I don't know.
We don't even know.
To be.
We don't even know if we're going to get it for sure.
Yeah.
But he's investigating right now. It's a little scary.
Yeah.
But if you don't start, you just won't start.
True.
Okay, so the other question that we were really concerned about was the quality of the build of the RV.
Yes. We wanted something that was going to have good resale value, good construction while we're living in it on the weekends, something we can bring the dogs in.
There are certain particular construction aspects that we wanted. I mean, we wanted it to be light, but we wanted certain things, you know, a lot of storage. We wanted a particular, you know, type of shower in it, metal sinks, and I wanted the, you know, the sewer pipe to be up high off the ground. So, with that being said, this is what we got.
Congratulations to the Newer family and their brand new 21 Imagine XLS 17 MKE.
We're very pleased with our purchase, and we'll see you on the street. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cameron.
Dude,
Happy birthday to you. Number 12.